Here we are with another video from my last trip to Sweden at the beginning of December, when it was just snowing the whole time. We tried to do the roof, but we couldn't. So we basically focused on inside the gatehouse instead, and we got a lot done. And yeah, so please subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, let's see how we got on. So yeah, we needed to dress the insides of the roof windows, which we put in last time. And my idea was to clad with masonite the inside face there, after sealing with builder's foam all around to complete the insulation layer, so there's no gaps. And then using the shingles that we had cut out from the window openings to clad the insides of those reveals with the old shingles. So hopefully it would look kind of like some sort of distorted, stretched shingle structure thing. Anyway, yeah, that's what we tried to do, and you'll see in the end, if you stick to the end of the video, that it did look pretty cool actually. Yeah, sorry about the graininess of the video. It's just, I mean, the new iPhone's a great camera, but it's still not very good in low light. Just getting colder and colder outside. Oh man, luckily we had a gas heater inside the gatehouse, so it wasn't too bad. So just trimming off any little extra bits to get a nice flat surface. And then fitting some lovely pieces of oak. Just to frame it off and hide that rough edge. Yeah. I really think it looks pretty beautiful actually. Even if I do say so myself. Fitting in the last pieces.
Which way to fill it?
I mean, it's kind of rough, rustic, you know, a few gaps here and there. But in the end, I can fill that stuff, and I can make it look neat if we really want to, but I kind of like it being slightly rough. I think it makes the window itself look kind of nicely neat, juxtaposed to all this rough old shingles and bits of oak and stuff. I think it looks pretty cool. And the rafters as well. It's pretty cool to see it all coming together. And that nail gun is just amazing. If a little cumbersome. And there you have it.
It's rough.
Wobbly camera.
It's rough. And I'll do better with each one.
But pretty solid window. Yeah. Damn, looks good.
It's good. I have the gas mask on, that's why I sound weird.
Yeah, and that was the other one. So both sides done. So that's kind of the ceiling of Elsa's office, pretty much done. We took out these little collar ties that I'd put in for some reason, just because I thought I should do. These are the old ones, because you can see we've got these big fat rafter ties now, lower down, supporting everything. And there's Mikey. So Mikey came halfway through the 2 weeks, just as we were finishing this. And yeah, there you go, look at that. Some more drone footage to show you just how brave we were in that cold, unforgiving Swedish harsh winter weather. So there you go, that was me dressing the roof windows with old shingles and pieces of oak and making it look very beautiful. Thanks very much for watching, and yeah, please subscribe if you haven't already, and Merry Christmas. And I'll see you again next time with another video. So yeah, look after yourselves. Goodbye.